You're looking for the best 3D printer, but with so many options, it's easy to make a mistake. You've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you the crucial factors to consider when purchasing a 3D printer and the 5 common mistakes I see people make. Below the video in the description, you'll also find what I believe are the best 3D printers on the market, including my top budget pick. Just click the links to check out the products and see the current prices. This will save you a ton of time you would have spent searching and researching. To help you avoid regretting your purchase, I'm now going to show you the 5 mistakes you should definitely steer clear of when buying a 3D printer. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't make these mistakes. Mistake number 1. Choosing the wrong printing technology. A common mistake is selecting a 3D printer without considering the fundamental differences in printing technology. The 2 main types are FDM, which stands for Fused Deposition Modeling, and resin printers, which use liquid resin and UV light. FDM printers are generally more versatile for functional parts, larger prints, and a wider range of materials, while resin printers excel at producing incredibly fine details and smooth surfaces, ideal for miniatures or intricate models. If you pick the wrong type for your needs, your prints won't meet your expectations. Now that you know how to choose the right technology, let's talk about the second mistake, which can severely limit your projects. Mistake number 2, underestimating the build volume. Another mistake is buying a 3D printer with an insufficient build volume. Every printer has a limited build area, which defines the maximum size of objects you can print. Many entry-level models have build volumes around 8 by 8 by 8 inches, which is fine for small items. However, if you plan to print larger models, prototypes, or multiple parts simultaneously, you'll quickly outgrow a small build plate. Always check the printer specifications for its build volume and ensure it meets your current and future project needs. For bigger projects, look for printers with at least 12 by 12 by 12 inches of printing space. With print size in mind, let's move on to mistake number 3, which involves the foundation of your print. Mistake number 3, neglecting the importance of a quality build surface. A common error is overlooking the quality of the printer's build surface. A poor build surface can lead to prints not sticking properly, known as poor adhesion, or warping and detaching midway through a print, causing failed prints and wasted material. Look for printers with heated beds, which help materials like ABS and PETG adhere better and reduce warping. Desirable surfaces include flexible magnetic PEI sheets, textured glass, or specialized coatings that offer excellent adhesion and easy removal of finished prints. After you've considered the build surface, you need to think about one of the most tedious parts of 3D printing. This leads us to mistake number 4. Mistake number 4, skipping automatic bed leveling. A mistake is choosing a 3D printer that requires manual bed leveling. Manually leveling the print bed involves adjusting screws to ensure the print surface is perfectly equidistant from the nozzle at all points. This process is time-consuming, requires precision, and if done incorrectly, will lead to failed first layers and unsatisfactory prints. Modern 3D printers often feature automatic bed leveling systems that use sensors to map the print surface and compensate for any irregularities, ensuring a perfect first layer without manual effort. This feature can save you significant frustration and improve print success rates. Finally, I come to the last mistake, one that can make operating your printer unnecessarily expensive or restrictive. Mistake number 5, overlooking material compatibility and an open filament system. A final mistake is not considering a 3D printer's material compatibility or if it uses an open filament system. Some manufacturers design their printers to only work with their proprietary filaments, which can be more expensive and limit your choices in colors and material types. An open filament system allows you to use standard 1.75mm or 2.85mm diameter filaments from any reputable manufacturer, giving you more flexibility and potentially lower running costs. Also, check if the printer can handle various materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, or nylon, expanding your creative possibilities. Those are the 5 most common mistakes you should avoid when buying a 3D printer. Also, below the video in the description, you'll find what I believe are the best 3D printers, including my top budget pick. Just click the links to check out the products and see the current prices. This will save you a ton of time you would have spent searching and researching. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more tips.